This blizzard is crazy. If you look at the drifts, I'll start back over here. We got some big ones over here, around there. These ones are pretty massive. But we go over here. We just shoveled here yesterday. It's all back up. Some nice big blizzards, probably about to my belly button right there. It's pretty tall. This is covering up part of our car here, but it doesn't look too bad. When you get to here, these drifts right here are about as tall as me. Well, maybe not, but it's to my chest. And this one, getting tough to walk through. This one's about as tall as me. Give me it. Oh. 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 This drift. Look at that one. That one's huge. We got these ones. Oh. All of them here. It's all just one massive drift. It's everywhere. There's multiple feet of snow. This will definitely be a blizzard to remember here. You go here. This drift is my height. As you can see, it's my height. And I can't get through that now. So, yeah, over there, let me see if I can zoom in. Even bigger. Definitely lived up to expectations here. And I don't know if we're ever gonna see a blizzard like this again in North Dakota. I sure hope so, but it might be an amount of years again. I'm gonna just get up to this drift over here. This is probably the biggest one. And check that out. That's crazy. That's top of the fence. Yeah. This also crazy. Just everything is covered in inches and inches of snow. Actually, no, it's feet. Many feet of snow. But yeah, that's crazy.